In this video, I'll show you the two different fuse box locations on your Mazda 3 first gen. So the first place is you need to go on the passenger side in the footwell. And if we go over here, you're gonna need to squat. The fuse box is located right there. It's not very convenient, but this is where Mazda decided to put it. To open the panel, you just have to pull on it the way I did. To be honest, yeah, you may have to push these tabs from the inside to try to unclip it, but it's not really well made, and just by pulling it, you can remove it. Then you see here, you have this white cover. You just need to twist these. Okay, two locks. There's another one over here. And the whole panel will come down, and finally you're gonna have the first fuse box location. All right, for the second one, we need to pop the hood. Now you're gonna go on the right side, and this is where the fuse box is located. To open this, you're gonna have a latch, and you're gonna have your relays and fuses, and on this lid you're also gonna have a diagram telling you which fuse is which, so it's easier for you to replace the one that needs to be replaced. But overall, this is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.